Have you ever answered the phone in English and suddenly your mind goes completely blank? You know the words, you studied English, but the moment you hear, "Hello, this is Mark speaking," your heart races, your hands sweat, and you think, "Why is this so hard?" Here's the secret. Phone English is different. No face, no body language, just your voice. And today, I'll show you how to sound calm, clear, and confident on the phone in English, even if you're nervous. Welcome to the Focus English podcast.
All right, Henry, imagine this. We are at home. You're sitting on the sofa. You have a cup of coffee.
Yes, coffee first, always coffee.
Exactly. And suddenly, your phone rings. It's an important call from a company.
Oh no, important calls are scary.
You look at your phone. You take a deep breath and you answer. Go.
Hello? Yes, hello?
The other person speaks. Hello, this is Sarah from Bright Solutions. May I speak to Henry, please?
Yes, I am Henry, speaking, I think.
Great. The call continues. I'm calling about your application.
My application? Sorry, the line is bad?
Pause. Freeze. Perfect. This is exactly what happens to learners. Let's break this down slowly. Henry, phone English feels hard because you cannot see the person. So today, we'll focus on 6 key phone words you really need.
Only 6? My brain says thank you.
Yes, just 6. Here they are. Call, speaking, hold, transfer, line, voicemail.
Okay, I already feel smarter.
Let's start with the most important one, call. I'm calling about. This is very common.
So, I don't say I phone you?
Good question. In English, we say call, not phone you. For example, I'm calling about your order. I'm calling to ask a question.
Calling about, calling to, okay.
Next word, speaking. When someone asks, "May I speak to Henry?" you say, "This is Henry speaking."
Not I am Henry talking.
Exactly. That sounds strange. This is Henry speaking. Very professional, very natural.
I like it. I sound important.
You do. Now the word hold. Sometimes the other person says, "Please hold."
Hold, like hold the phone in my hand?
Not exactly. Hold means wait. So you can say, "Please hold for a moment," or "Can you hold, please?"
Ah, wait. That's easy.
Next is transfer. This is very common in companies.
I hate transfer.
Everyone hates transfer. Transfer means to move the call to another person. For example, I will transfer you to my manager.
So I don't move. The call moves.
Exactly. You stay calm, the call travels.
Magic phone.
Next word, line. You already used this one, Henry. Very well.
Yes, I said the line is bad.
Perfect. We say, the line is bad. The line is busy. The line is breaking up.
Breaking up, like relationship.
Similar feeling, yes. It means the sound is not clear.
Okay, sad phone relationship.
Last word, voicemail. If someone doesn't answer, you hear a message.
And I panic.
Instead, you say, "Hello, this is Henry. I'm calling about the meeting. Please call me back."
Short, simple, no poem.
Exactly. Phones love simple English.
Now let's practice together. Listeners, speak out loud if you can. Henry, are you ready?
Ready, I think. Good morning, Bright Solutions. How can I help you?
Repeat after me. Good morning. I'm calling about.
Good morning. I'm calling about.
Excellent. Again, everyone.
Good morning. I'm calling about.
Now this one. May I speak to?
May I speak to?
Perfect. Next phrase. Can you please hold?
Can you please hold?
Very nice. Next. I'll transfer you.
I'll transfer you.
Last one. Very important. The line is bad.
The line is bad.
Beautiful. Calm, clear, professional.
I sound like I work in an office now.
Now, let's make it harder. Something goes wrong.
Of course it does.
Hello? Hello? I can't hear you.
Hear me? Hello?
Pause. Here are emergency phone phrases. Simple, powerful.
My favorite kind.
Say, sorry, the line is bad.
Sorry, the line is bad.
Next, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Next, let me call you back.
Let me call you back.
Perfect. Now the call drops.
No.
It's okay. You call again.
Hello, this is Henry speaking. Sorry, we were disconnected.
That was excellent, truly. Let's review. Today, you learned 6 powerful phone words: call, speaking, hold, transfer, line, voicemail.
And I did not cry.
You stayed calm. Remember, phone English is not fast English. It's clear English.
Short sentences, slow voice, deep breath.
Exactly. And confidence grows with practice.
Okay, question of the day. What phone call is the hardest for you in English? Work? Doctor? Customer service?
Tell us in the comments. We read them all.
And if this episode helped you,
Subscribe to Focus English, the podcast, and practice a little every day.
thank you for listening.
See you next time. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need clear English.